Order the darkness to leave. Message from Archangel Michael and Master Jesus Sananda. I suggest listening to the entire message. Beloved of my heart, in every moment you are given the opportunity to start anew. Indeed, you can begin where you are. Now, it is not necessary to organize anything to achieve great things. This moment is complete and perfect for your path to excellence. You have been programmed in your world to believe that you are not enough. This information is completely false, and this understanding will lead you to sabotage your own efforts and plans. You might start a project and never finish it because you feel that you are not worthy of being seen by others. Many feel that their creations are not good enough, while they examine their work and imagine others will do the same. Competition is endless, and the feeling of unworthiness continues in many of your paths. The gift you have before you will allow you to progress without a specific plan set in place. Setting your intention is all you need to succeed. Choosing the path of light will ensure that your intention is honorable. From this place of knowledge, the path will open to achieve a positive outcome. Allow yourself and others to grow. Making mistakes can be seen as lessons as you move forward to become the best version of yourself. Let go of jealousy, envy, because the soul knows no rivalry. Look at yourself in the mirror and accept the flaws you perceive, your age, your weight. You are a warrior of light. Look how far you have come. You are more than enough. You are light. Beings of high vibration have reached a place of expanded consciousness, falling many times along the way. The greater the fall, the more magnificent is the strength obtained by overcoming each obstacle. As you rise again, breathe deeply. Remember who you are. You have the ability and the power to reprogram your mind with your own thoughts. You must believe in your thoughts and change them to a frequency that serves you. The Spirit is there, waiting for you to remember your light and choose peace wisely. It is a constantly moving energy of love. You carry this love within and can activate this frequency, which will amplify and remain for as long as you choose peace. It is always a choice. You are peace within your soul. Find this gift and never let it go. This is the wisdom used in the higher realms of being. I would ask you to create a field of light around your being and never let this energy leave your consciousness. This light will act as a shield of protection. Your spiritual intuition will let you know when it is penetrated by darkness. You have the power to repair your field. You have the spiritual right to command with faith and determination that all darkness leave. In fact, it will go. You must maintain your own energy. It is never too late to start anew. I, Archangel Michael, will join you in every moment of love and light. I love you so much, beloved brother. I am Archangel Michael. Message from Jesus Sananda, dear children of planet Earth. It is a great joy to be able to come here once more and address all of you. Many of you desire our messages, but we have already clarified that all the teachings have been transmitted. The time has come to put into practice what has been learned. Sitting here repeating does not help. This is not useful. Those who have not learned anything and always need a crutch to lean on in moments of desperation. The messages are all there. You want to listen to them, read them, go back in time and do it. Always remember what you send out you receive. It is very easy for the dark ones to disguise themselves as beings of light and transmit messages, and many can say they are nice messages. But what matters is the energy they contain. It is not an obligation to have a daily message that will make you walk on the journey to ascension. It is done by the lessons of the path you take, and not by the messages you receive, read, or listen to. It's all there. You can reread it, listen to it again, and continue learning the lesson. There is still much to learn, especially those who continue complaining and emitting contrary energies because they do not get what they want. Look and analyze your life and ask yourself why you don't improve. One thing I can guarantee you, my children, those who have good hearts, open hearts, those who are willing to receive the light, those who do not criticize, those who do not judge, and those who do not condemn the path, are enlightened and are progressing wonderfully. Now, if yours is blocked, stuck, and nothing moves, do not blame the universe and those around you. Look at yourself. Your attitudes and your thoughts are not good. Remember, any energy that emanates from another person will return to you. It will return instantly. There will be no karma. Blessings of light and love. I am Master Jesus Sananda. Beloved brothers, we are now advancing through the 4th degree spectrum within 4D, which is different. The light is more abundant, and the energies allow for a more positive transformation. These are the energies of unity. The dark forces continue to manipulate your reality, preparing again for one of their dark rituals, which will be between the upcoming eclipses and the full moon of March 24th and 25 and April 8th. The star families are amplifying the cosmic energies to help annul or dissolve these dark rituals. This is your time to be prepared and to remain in the light and shine in the infinite glory of the one infinite creator. Now we are 4D beings, and many light workers and warriors of light are already on their way to 5D. With love, light, and peace, I wish for abundant light to expel all negativity. I am Maria Lustig, guardian of the flame of light serving humanity in this planetary transition. Voiced by We Are Positive Worldwide. Always remember, you are the most important person in this world. We love you very much. We are with you every step of the way. We value your presence. We are your cosmic family of light. We are your source of light and eternal love. We are your beacon of light on the path. If you are new to the channel and this topic resonated with you, do not forget to subscribe, like, leave your comments, and share. Together we can learn and expand our knowledge on this spiritual journey, allowing us to achieve the life we truly deserve. Thank you, thank you, thank you.